How to upgrade from Windows 10 to 11. It's best not to wait until it's too late. It's time to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why upgrade from Windows 10 to 11? By now, most laptops and PCs have already been upgraded to Windows 11, Microsoft's latest operating system released in October 2021. Despite this, a considerable number of devices still run on Windows 10, mainly because of device compatibility issues or time constraints. While this OS will still function, the absence of support will leave these devices vulnerable to security and technical issues. Therefore, if there is a time to finally upgrade to the better and more secure Windows 11, it is now. Requirements. Before upgrading from Windows 10 to 11. To start, you must prepare your device for the upgrade by meeting the following prerequisites. First, use Microsoft's PC Health Check tool to verify if your laptop or PC is compatible. Then, back up your data in case anything is lost during the update process. Finally, upgrade to the latest version of Windows 10 to ensure a smoother transition to Windows 11. Methods to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Once you're all done, you can begin the switch by performing one of these four methods. Method 1. Settings. The first and most straightforward method is through Settings. Head to Settings, Update and Security, and Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Once a message appears stating that Windows 11 is available and compatible, click Download and Install. From here, the process will start automatically. Method 2. Command Prompt. Download the Windows 11 ISO file from Microsoft's website, run Command Prompt as administrator, and input the file path to setup.exe in the folder where the ISO's contents are located. Then, press Enter to launch the Windows 11 installation window. Method 3. PowerShell. Again, download the Windows 11 ISO file, run PowerShell as an administrator, and enter the following script shown on screen. Method 4. Group Policy Editor. Search for and click Edit Group Policy in the Start menu, then navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Template, Windows Components, Windows Update, and Windows Update for Business. From here, configure these policies. Select the target feature update version and select when preview builds and feature updates are received. Upgrading to Windows 11 is no longer optional. It's a must. So, don't delay and start now. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to upgrade from Windows 10 to 11, linked in the description below.